What is up, guys? This is Loro with the Flow on Lego, coming at you with another Lego video. And I've been talking about this set for the past couple of weeks, and today it came in. Took me about 7 hours to build, and I'm going to do a review on it now. So there's 3 stories plus a roof, and there's a bell tower on the top, and at the bottom there is a marriage going on. There's the press, the photographer or whatever, a little kid with a lollipop or a popsicle, and another little kid with a magnifying glass, and there's a little light post there. And this entrance, very bank-like, very town hall-like. Then there's this seal made out of 2 crescent rolls and a shield. And second floor we have the balcony, the walkout balcony, and 4 windows. Third floor, there's 5 windows. And it was made in 1891. There's a clock, a little janitor, and we have 2 very nice skylights, and a maintenance shaft. There is a working elevator in here. Hold on, let me get my light. You can see down there there's a ladder, and then the elevator's at the bottom. And on the left side, hold on, this thing is super heavy. Left side there's absolutely nothing except for 2 connectors for other modulars at the bottom. And on the back we have the little area where you store all the tools, and there's a little clip in there for the ladder. And 3 windows 3rd floor, 3 windows 2nd floor, and 3 large windows on the 1st floor, and then a back door with a light. And there's some vines growing, and another access door to the maintenance shaft. And this little mechanism right here is actually the elevator mechanism. And if you want to move the elevator, you simply move it up to the next level, clip it on, move it up to the next level, and clip it on. It only goes up to the 3rd floor. Try to go any higher, it'll open that. Let's put it at the bottom. Okay, and on the right side there's 2 connectors on the bottom for other modulars. Blah 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 blah. Okay, let's go inside. Let me just turn this around here, and let's take a look at the 1st floor first. So I'm just going to put the camera right there. Oh, that was quite loud. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, on the 1st floor we have a little auditorium with a podium and the shield again, and there's 2 lights and the large windows. It lets a lot of light in, and there's a nice little checkered hallway here. And if you take this route, there's a bust and a bench, and then a door. Hold on. A door that leads to the elevator, and then there's the up button. It's a golden up button, and then a speaker. And over here we have the tax office, the little dollar and a lamp and a computer and a chair and a file cabinet. And there's 2 little windows over to look at the auditorium. There's one right here to look at the auditorium, and the auditorium has seats. Okay. Now let's take a look at the second floor. We'll move the elevator up with it. So let's just reach around here. Okay. So the elevator is moved up with it. There we go. And this one has an up and a down button, and the speaker as well. There are 3 windows right here, and a balcony to overlook the auditorium. And then there's this nice oriental rug. Over here we have the secretary's desk with her thank you letter and her flower. And this is the mayor's office with his very nice office chair. I think they did a really good job on that. And then, hold on, his statue of a frog, his briefcase, and then his lamp. And he gets a grand overlook of the auditorium. And up on the front, we have this door right here that opens to the balcony. And he gets 2 windows with 2 flower pots. On the other side, there's 2 windows with 2 flower pots. Alright, let's look at the third story. Okay. Third story, same basic layout for the elevator. Actually, let's bring the elevator up with this. Clip it on. And there it is at the top, and there's the ladder for the maintenance shaft. And this is the conference room. There's 6 seats for members and 1 seat for the mayor. And then there's this globe that turns. And over here we have a decorative plant. And on this side we also have a decorative plant. Oh, up here we have this awning covering a window, 5 windows, and there's a larger balcony overlooking the auditorium. And that would be a very scary fall in real life. Yeah. And over here, here's the roof. We already looked at this, but forgot to show you that this white piece comes off. You can look down inside there. Pretty cool. And let's put the roof back on. Oh gosh. And this thing is massive, as you can see. Compared to my 2-story office building, these are side by side. There's the 2-story office building, and there's the town hall. Let's just zoom out. Yeah. So, this was the Lego Town Hall. For ages 14 and up, set number 10224. There's 2,766 pieces, and that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, this is Loro with the Flow and Lego, saying peace off. Bye.